For most of us, science was just a subject to pass and dodge the lashes of teachers and parents. But we wanted to change that, to make science real for junior high students and to spark their curiosity for innovation. So after endless debates and the usual wahala over money and item 13, we finally chose our project. At the New Pathway School, the younger kids were already calling our experiment kits toys. We had so much fun icebreakers with the older students. Who remembers the wild adjectives we used with our names? We brought along 50 science kits and led hands-on experiments on science principles they had already heard of in their classroom. We also shared our journeys with them and tried to answer their questions about the real world. Now they see science as an adventure, and just like SEO did for us, we sparked a ripple effect of impact in their young minds. I speak for all of us when I say we left humbled by the kids' brilliance and so touched by the care teachers' gratitude. The SEO Nigeria cohort is not left behind.
What's the best way to teach what you know, if not to show? On February 22nd, 2025, the 2023 Nigerian class of the SEO Africa embarked on the project BSc, an initiative under the SEO Africa Cares project, where we dedicated our day to cleaning the roads of Lagos Island. On this day, we chose it not to be personal for us, but for us to communicate the importance of having a healthier and clean environment. We chose this project because we believe that a clean environment is a right and not just a privilege. Pollution affects not only our surroundings but also the air we breathe and the health of our people. Our aim was simple: to restore cleanliness, promote healthier living, and show that small actions can create lasting impact. With a few weeks of planning, we raised funds through the team's contributions, which helped source our cleaning tools from local markets. We organized ourselves into clear teams with clear roles. That day, we worked with purpose, clearing waste, sweeping roads, and bringing back a sense of care back to the community. And as a lasting gesture, we donated leftover cleaning tools, including hand sanitizers, to support the locals in maintaining their space. Because a clean society is a safe society, and real change begins with us. Ekoni Baje.